Hello everyone, welcome to African Dot Food. Today we are making fried rice. That's a special fried rice. So we have rice here. We're using jasmine rice. So we have about 500 grams of jasmine rice. We have butter here, vegetable, our mixed vegetable. So we have peas, carrots, and sweet corn. And here we have chicken, cooked chicken, and then we have eggs here. We have vegetable oil, and we have our soya sauce that we're going to use. We have our wok here. So in here we have our chicken stock that we cook our chicken in earlier. Yeah, so I'm going to add the rice in here and cook my rice. So this is it. My rice is washed already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the rice in the stock now and cook it. And cook it for 10 minutes. 15 minutes, not 10, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is enough. Yeah. So this one got salt and everything in there, so I'm not going to add any salt or anything. So I'm just gonna cover this and leave it to cook. And mind you, I washed my rice 4 times, so there's no starch or anything on it. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna leave it to cook. So here I have added a piece of butter here. It's melting. Now I'm going to add my chicken. Okay. So my chicken is already cooked. Okay. Gonna add a bit of black pepper, tiny bit of black pepper. That's it. Just there. Add a bit of shallot in there. Okay. Mix them together again. I'm adding the eggs I fried earlier. That's it. And mix them together. And also my vegetables. My rice. Okay. Together. Remember, this is chicken fried rice, so you can have sausage fried rice as well, and beef fried rice, chicken and egg fried rice, or vegetable only fried rice. Okay. Listen. I'm going to add a bit of cayenne pepper. That's it. Mix them together. It's optional. You don't have to. But I like a bit of spice in my fried rice. So fried rice is very easy and quick. Doesn't take that long to do. Now I'm going to add my soya sauce. That's dark soya sauce. About 2 tablespoons in there. So give a bit of color of rice. And you see, it was white before, now it's brown. It. It's very simple and easy to do. That's it, all done. So now fried rice is ready. Now I'm just gonna add a bit of spring onion, green onion there, and that's it. Our fried rice is ready. Rice is ready. So this is it. It wasn't difficult to do. It was quick. The whole process took me about 30 minutes, no more than that. So hopefully you will try and you give me a comment. Please do like, share and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Comment as well. Thank you. Bye.